Whoa, what up? What's that? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. And what we got today, you see the brown box, you see the 500 in black across the top. On the side, you see Yeezy 500 made by Adidas. Y'all already know what's happening with this, man. You probably know what it is, but here we go. Let's get into it, man. What we got today is the Yeezy 500 utility black. These retail for, what is it, I think 220 bucks. If I'm wrong, man, let me know in the comments. You know, opening the box, you know, you got the regular old paper, nothing special about that. Let's get straight to the kicks, man. Here it is, the Yeezy 500 utility black. Now, my first thought straight out of the gate is, see, I thought these things was a cold, dark black, man, but it's really like a ashy, dark grayish like vibe to me, man. You know, like, and that really turned me off with them, man. You know, you can see the tags hanging on the medial side. I mean, it is what it is, man. Now, this shoe kind of reminds me of a mix between a Prada and Adidas Crazy 8 and a few more other shoes I can't remember, man. But you know, when I saw pictures, you know, I thought it was gonna be a dark black, but I've been fooled, you know what I'm saying? So it really turned me off. There's a look at the bottom, that pattern on the bottom. You can see the combination of the mesh and the suede on the side. There's a look from the front. For me personally, I thought it was gonna be that dark black, and it really turned me off, you know what I'm saying? So here's a look at the tags. We're not gonna get into all that, man. You know, it is what it is. There's a look at the back. You got the mixture of the suede and the mesh. I mean, like I say, it's a pretty dope shoe, man. You know, I'm just disappointed in the color, you know what I mean? Now, looking at the other shoe, everything's the same. There's no difference between the two, you know what I mean? And it is what it is, man. It's a Yeezy 500, man, you know, so I'm more than sure these gonna sell out, you know, but from what I'm hearing, they sitting on Adidas right now, you know, so if you're watching this video in time, man, go ahead, get over there and try to get you a pair, man. As you can see on the sole on the medial side, you got Adidas. Right here, you got the Adiprene or whatever it is. It's dope, man. You know, let me know what y'all think about it. On the inside, you see the Yeezy and Adidas Yeezy Ultralight. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, it's a pretty dope shoe, man. I'm feeling it. You know, I'm a little disappointed in the color, as I said before, you know, so let me know what y'all think about them, man. You feeling them, you're not? You gonna cop, you gonna pass? Think they ugly as shit? Let me know what's up, man. You know, but yeah, we're gonna lay up here and we're gonna get into this on foot, man, and you know, y'all stay tuned for that, man. You know, so that was my look at the Adidas Yeezy Boost 500 Utility Black. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe to the channel, man. Follow us on Instagram at PedlersAv504. And let's go ahead and get into the on foot, man. I'ma holler.